In the previous lecture, we have known what is intraday trading and what is positional trading. And also we have listed out the difference between both of them. Now in positional trading, we have two categories. We can either buy cash or either we can buy future contract. So these two jargons that you are able to see on the screen, cash buying and futures, these are called instruments in the stock market. And to do positional trading, either you have to take help of cash buying instrument or you have to take help of future instrument. Now, coming to the difference between the cash buying and the future, the difference is in cash buying, again, you have to pay the full amount, the full value of the particular stock. So if the stock is trading at 2000 rupees, you have to pay the entire amount to buy that particular stock. This is simple, but in future trading, you get again 5x leverage, which means you are going to get the stock at rupees 400 rupees. So the difference between cash buying and future trading is in cash buying, you get a stock to buy at a particular value anytime in the market hours, and you have to pay the full amount. On the other hand, in futures trading, you get a leverage of 5x, which depends on the brokers as well. But the advantage that you can see in cash buying is the stock that you have bought, it can be held for any amount of time. Means if you're buying a stock, you can sell it today, you can sell it tomorrow, you can sell it after a month, you can sell it after a year, you can sell it either after a decade. So there is no restriction. But in the futures trading, you have gotten a monthly limit. It means the contract is going to expire and you have to get your views right within a month period of time. So this is the difference between both of them. So just to recap, intraday trading, we buy and sell same day within the market hours. On the other hand, in positional trading, we can hold it more than a day. And now coming to the instruments, that is cash buying and futures, we can either hold it for a day or any period of time. So now we have the difference between intraday trading and positional trading. Coming to positional trading, there are two instruments that we can buy. The first one is cash buying. The other one is futures, buying the future contracts. We have also listed out the difference between both of them. As you can see, in cash buying, you have to pay the full amount for that particular price of the stock. Unlike futures, where you get 5x leverage depending on the broker. Coming to the second point, the difference. For cash buying, you can hold it for any time, but for future buying, you can only hold it for a month. Now the logics and the strategies that we will learn can be applied to cash and futures contract buying of any given stocks or commodities. So we are going to look at all those concepts later on in this upcoming sections. So the logics and the strategies we'll learn can be applied to cash and future contract buying for any given stock or commodities.